Well, here as you can see, this is the sixth try in designing a fixed wing, double engine, twin engine airplane. I have designed this plane for my students. Somehow piloting this kind of configuration is much more easier than the others. As you can see, the tail is a T configuration, and the electrical brushless engines are placed in back of the wing. The length of the body is about 1 meter and 20 centimeters. The span of the wing is 1.5, if I am accurate enough, 1 meter and 40 centimeters. Yeah, that's more accurate. And as you can see, the rudder is double double-sided, or two fins here for the rudder, and I have connected the surfaces by connecting rod. The servo motor is placed out of the body skin, and here for elevator there is another servo which is placed in on the bottom side of the horizontal stabilizer, but here in SolidWorks I haven't placed it right here right now. And as you can see, there is another servo motor here which will be used for opening the gate of the parachute. This plane has no landing gear, and I have designed it to be recovered by parachute. There is a gate here and a compartment here for placing the parachute, and the parachute I have designed the 8-sided shape with plastic and some other materials with 2 meters diameter for uh, for the parachute. The propellers are 10 inches, and the ailerons here, as you can see, the servos are placed on the bottom side of the wing. And what else should I state here? Yeah, the structure of the plane is some kind of wood. Here, let me transparent the view. As you can see, the structure here, it is some kind of sheet of wood. The sheet thickness is 2.5 millimeters, and the airfoils here, as you can see, there are more airfoils and um, ribbed and spars. I haven't placed them right now. And the skin of the wing is a cardboard, 3-layer cardboard. I will show that when I go to the garage. And the engine supports here, they are also uh, the material is also wood. And what else should I say? Yeah, in the front part of the body you can see a styrofoam uh, half circle shape. It's a dense styrofoam, and I have placed a hole here in front of it in order to have a proper air conditioning for battery, speed controllers, and other electronics. And I almost forgot. One of the most important features of this plane is that I have designed it so that you can assemble the wing on the body. As you can see, there is some kind of sliding mechanism here. You can slide the wing to the body. So for transportation, it is very convenient because you have a wing and you have a body, and in flying port you easily assemble it. As you can see, this is a mechanism for assembly, and there is um, gap here, so a part will lock the wing to the body. However, if you don't lock it, I have designed it somehow. The drag and propulsion force make these two parts stick to each other. Well, that's it. If you have any questions, just let me know. And after doing the tests, I will, after doing the flying tests and parachute supplement and parachute application, if everything goes right and properly, um, maybe 2 weeks later, I will put the drawings and all the details for you to be able to construct the plane yourself. Very well then, I wish you safety, happiness and hope. Goodbye.